If you look up China's Rainbow Mountain online, you will see videos that look like this. They look completely unreal, almost like someone just went crazy with a paintbrush in Photoshop. Today, I'm exploring every single stop inside the Zhangye Danxia Geopark to find out the truth. We have quickly boarded a bus to Danxia. We didn't plan for this, but the weather is very nice now at 6 o'clock in the evening. So we decided we just try our luck, just go in and see whether we can photograph or see the colorful Danxia.
I think it's very popular.
First stop, platform number 1. This is called Rainbow Screen. Wow, it's very nice now. We make a very good decision in coming in even the last minute because the color is unbelievable. Look at this. You have to come here even though it's very far away from Hong Kong. So this is Rainbow Danxia. I really get excited after being to so many places in the world, but when I see this, it's exciting, it's beautiful, so many colors. We are going to another platform to see whether we can get better view. There's quite a lot of people here comparatively to the Alien Valley that we went to, because this is the main attraction in Zhangye. This is another viewpoint where you need to walk a bit up the stairs, but it's better viewpoint because not many people here and you can see the whole of the Danxia mountain. So this is the bus going to platform 2, I think. I'm not sure where it's platform 2, but then our final objective during sunset is platform 4. This is platform 2. Going up one of the tour paths. So this Danxia is very unique because of many hundred millions of years of history. All this landscape is created around 140 and 100 million years ago. And because of the erosion, the squeezing of the tectonic plate, and also all the different minerals was deposited towards different time of the millions of years. So we create all the colors. I hope I did not make it too difficult to understand, but this is how I understood it based on the description in the billboard. This is platform 3. after a long climb. Look at this, so many colors. This is beautiful. Again, I must say you must come here for once in your life. Never knew this kind of place could exist. Landscape like this, unreal. Let me go up another place. Very tiring, walking up and down and scrambling here and there. We are going now to platform 4, the best platform for sunset. This side, the color is slightly different. Yeah, bluish color there. Not sure if you can see. Lots of people. So popular here. I looked at the picture before, but it's nothing when you see it on your own eyes how beautiful the place is. Look at the colors. This place is the best color. I can see many different, even blue and yellow, which I couldn't find earlier on. We are going up the hill now for another sunset spot. Even from here, it's actually quite nice already. This is the highest point of platform 4, and this is crowded with people, but I think for obvious reason. So this is the place with the best view, highest form. So it's now 8:30 and we have to go down now.